Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. Here's my top 4 slices I've had in 2025. We're starting off at Sonny's here on Sunset Boulevard in Los Angeles, California, with the pepperoni slice with the fresh basil on top. Guys, we got the pepperoni with the Parmesan with the basil. Here we go, guys. Oh, that's us, right? We're from fantastic, guys. Fabulous. That's an 8-9. Coming in third, we're at La Monica's New York style pizza in Westwood, California. It's the jalapeno pepperoni slice. Ooh, nice and hot. Just came out of the oven. Order a little extra well done. I like it crispy. Check out that undercarriage, baby. Oh, baby. Guys, this is a great slice. That's an 8.9. And if you didn't already guess it, yep, we're here at Apollonia's on Wilshire Boulevard in Los Angeles, California for my top 2 favorite slices of 2025. We got the square pepperoni spicy. It's hot and I love it, baby. Are you ready? Ooh, here we go. It's fabulous. Wow. Nine one. Apollonia, you are number 1 in LA. Did you hear that crunch? Look at that. Beautiful undercarriage, no flop. Right in my hand. Hot. I love the square. This is better than the square. Wow. Fabulous. Guys, I'm telling you, come to Apollonia. It is what it is. It is what they say it is. Come down. This pizza's a 9-1 all day long. You're gonna love it. Work the wait, work the drive, work the traffic. Come on down. Big juice baby bites at you. I think I need one more baby bite.